I almost gave up making this cooking video because I had to empty out the oven. Now, if you are from a Spanish household, you know how much stuff your mom can fit into the oven. Let me just tell you. This much. Not gonna show you the table though, cause let's just say 3 more things. But this is Pebbles, Post the Chaos. Let's make some banana bread pudding. Let's go. I need a super ripe banana. This is a banana, not a plantain, a banana. You might remember that. I was ranting about it. Frustrating. And just like that, we're gonna mush it. Like you're making some baby food. I'm sure any moms out there have plenty of mushing experience. Mush, baby, mush. Just like that. To this mix, we are going to add 2 whole eggs. And if you're like me, your sink kind of becomes your dumping ground. Okay. Hygiene. A lot of washing the hands. Okay. Whisk that together. Nice and yellow. Okay. You're gonna need about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The more the better. Blend that in. Liquidy. Okay, and a whole can of condensed milk. Now, condensed milk is super sweet, so after you add this, delicious. You won't need any sugar. You're gonna need a spoon though. You wanna get it all out there. You could use it on smoothies, pancakes, even to make like caramel. Sometimes I use it to make like fruit syrup for the top of pancakes. So good. Crystallize those strawberries. Okay. Not my shirt. Klutz. Now, I'm going in with about one third of butter. Don't judge me because I'm using this instead of a measuring cup. Just do as I said, not as I do. There you go. You're a good listener. Now, we gotta mix all of these wet ingredients together. It should look like a whitish custard. About a whitish custard. Let me see if I can show you. You see? It's very liquidy, but this is where the bread comes in. Nice crusty bread. That's what we're gonna. Long time no see. So, you feel that? This is when you get that crusty bread. And we're gonna cut it into long cubes and then into squares. Hopefully you get a better knife than me. Okay, so you can cut it Stuck it up and cut it. Be very careful. Cut it into little cubes. It could be this big. You can make it smaller. Whatever you feel like doing. It's gonna soak up all of those momentous juices. I'm gonna make this one smaller because it's the very butt of the bun. Now this board is crustier than my skin this winter. But we're gonna use it. We're not wasting it. This is gonna add flavor to our bread pudding. So this is what it should look like. Now if you wanted to, you could add chocolate chips, or do I want to add raisins? I don't know. I have picky ass people. But you're gonna fold it in gently with a spatula and let it kind of sit there for about 5 minutes, soaking everything before you put it in a pan with butter at the bottom, if not some wax paper, and bake it for about 25 minutes or until golden brown. Paying attention? Are you? Because I'm gonna be eating without you. Okay, so you're gonna make sure that it's even. Tap it on the counter, no air bubbles, and put it in at an oven of 350 for about 25 or so minutes, or until golden brown. Look at this beauty. Now, it's not going to be super hard. You want it moist. It took about 40 minutes to finish cooking. 40 or so minutes. My oven is extremely slow. Yours might be a little bit better, so keep an eye on it. And still it's golden brown. But I'm just gonna top it and have a little tasty. Oh, it smells so good. I legit was in such a hurry to eat my pudding that I almost forgot to outro. But since we're here, let's taste. Oh, so moist. You don't even have to chew. Okay, I don't have time for you guys anymore. Go do what you gotta do. Go make this. It's easy and delicious. This has been Pebbles, host of Chaos. Bye!